Let's open a Silver Tempest pack with Bulgy. Maybe we'll get a nice hit. Here, hold this for me. No, not scratching you with it. Hold it real quick. Yeah. You can open that one. I'll open this one. Yeah, I hope we get a hit too. Oh. Okay. White code card. Not looking good. 1, 2, 3. I guess 4 with minus this one. Okay. Let's see what we got here. V-Star card, code card. Got Clang, Emergency Jelly, Araquanid, I can't speak. Rioniclus, Stunfisk, Vulpix, Snorunt, Fletchling, Ferroseed, Rotom. So, nothing today. I think I botched the card trick because this other card confused me. But these are hits today, if you want to call them hits, but they're what we got today. Still nice cards overall, but no hit. You get a hit, Bulgy? Did you get one? No? That's what I thought too. Oh well. Next time. Thanks for opening with me, Bulgy.